While I was in law school, I was also a small business owner. Unfortunately, my business partner at the time ended up royally screwing me over. He loaded me up with $100,000 of credit card debt. I ended up having to sue him in district court. That process took over 2 years. I know the struggles of litigation. I know what it feels like to be stuck in a case and wonder, is this ever going to come to a resolution? The lessons that I learned from that case have shaped the way that the Ragab Law Firm operates today. We've built so many policies and procedures around the client experience because I was that client.
Entrepreneurs, small business owners, and working professionals are the backbone of our economy. They take risks, create jobs, and push industries forward. But too often, they face legal obstacles that threaten everything they've built. Our job is to ensure they have the legal support they need to keep moving forward, whether that's protecting their businesses, their assets, or their rights. We believe in giving them the legal foundation to focus on what they do best: growing, innovating, and contributing to their communities.
My name is Nick Burke. I am a partner owner at Heirloom Wealth Management. Anytime that there's something that I'm not comfortable with, I've learned very quickly to outsource that. Legal issues is top of that list. Originally, I reached out to Ragab Law over a dispute I was having with a developer that I was working with. Ragab Law was all-encompassing, and I loved the work they did on my personal matter. And now we use them almost exclusively for business matters, which is estate planning for some of our best clients. What stood out about Sammy and the individuals I've worked with inside the firm are a number of things. Thinking about things that I normally wouldn't think about, protecting me and my clients in situations, and basically preventing us from stepping in a pothole. Their proactive ability to communicate. Anytime I've had a legal situation, I get an email with status updates. What they do is so far up and above. It has been nothing but exceptional working with the entire crew. Not only would I recommend someone personally, but I also recommend people professionally.
The Ragab Law Firm is really good at developing relationships to help business owners grow and change.
For a lot of business owners, this is their first time in the court system. So there is a lot of education that goes into it. We make it a point to help you understand the process as opposed to just shepherding it through.
This firm was founded to disrupt the status quo of legal service. Gone are the days that you pay endless bills and never hear from your attorney. We built this firm to solve that problem. When you reach the Ragab Law Firm, you're always going to have contact with your attorney. You're never going to feel ignored. You're always going to know what you're paying for, and you're always going to see results. The Ragab Law Firm is your legal partner for life, committed to relentlessly protecting your interests today, tomorrow, and for years to come.